focused and funded feature. In the pathway to greater cash flow to your business, the most important documents most entrepreneurs have never heard of is the capability statement. It is not a brochure. It is not a website. It is a 1 to 2 page professional document that answers exactly the questions a procurement officer or corporate buyer asks when evaluating a new vendor. A strong capability statement contains your core competencies stated clearly and without jargon, your past performance and named clients and measurable outcomes where possible, your differentiators, what makes you the right choice over competitors, your company data including registration number, TCC status, insurance coverage, and years in operation, and your contact information with a named person, not just an email address. And this can be done with AI if you feed it the right information. Claude.ai drafts this capability statement for you. You provide the raw information, your history, your clients, your outcome, and Claude.ai shapes it into the professional language that procurement officers and corporate buyers respond to. Canva.com then transforms it into a document that looks institutional, not homemade.